Hello friends, welcome to IELTS Band Booster. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ways to make the complex sentences for your IELTS exam. All those who are preparing for IELTS, they know the value of complex sentences. To achieve the higher band 7, 8 or 9, you need to use a variety of complex sentences in your IELTS exam to achieve higher. Right. So today's video is dedicated to this only. So I'm going to tell you the strategies and the ways to make the complex sentences. But before going ahead, do subscribe to my channel and do click the bell button. All set? Let's start. Complex sentence. You all know what a complex sentence is. But just to recollect, a complex sentence has an independent clause, a dependent clause, and conjunction connecting these two clauses. Right, so this is the basic structure of complex sentence. I'm not going into its detail, but I'll be focusing this video on the ways to make the complex sentence. All right, so let's go ahead. To make a complex sentence, the simplest and the basic thing which you can do is you can add details to your simple sentence. What kind of details? Like the details, they can be like whatever sentence you are having, you can think of why is it so. All right, you will get some answer and you can add this to your simple sentence and that will help you making a complex sentence. Or you can think of how, or you can answer where, when. So when you will answer all these questions, you will get a little depth into whatever your simple sentence is, whatever your idea is, whatever you are talking about is. So, in this way, you will have some details which can be incorporated or added to your simple sentence to make a complex sentence. For example, people move to urban areas. This is a simple sentence. And if I have to make a complex sentence of this, then I thought of like why? Why do people move to urban areas? And then few things that came to my mind and I added to it. People move to urban areas because of better job opportunities and higher standards of living. So this makes your complex sentence. Or you can say, in order to avail better job opportunities and higher standards of living, people tend to move to urban areas. So, in this way, you can add details to whatever you are talking about and you can make a complex sentence. Let's move to the next idea. Do not forget to put comma when you are using in order to avail better job opportunities and higher standards of living. Okay, but when it is used in front of the sentence, in beginning of the sentence. Okay, so this is the grammar part. Do take care of this. Next is you can change the beginning of your sentence and you can form a complex sentence. For example, you can add it's quite evident that, or it is well known. For example, it's quite evident that people tend to move to urban areas to avail better work options and higher living standards. So, this is another way by changing the beginning of your sentence, adding a phrase at the beginning, and adding few details to it that will help you making a complex sentence. Next way is adding a relative clause. So what is relative clause? Relative clause is the word which is relative pronoun basically, which is explaining whatever you are talking about. Okay, it is related to that. For example, it's quite evident that the people, comma, who have little or no job opportunities in their hometowns, comma, tend to move to the urban areas to avail better work options and higher living standards. So, what we have done is we have added the information about those people and continued the sentence with who. Who is the relative pronoun, means we are talking about the people. All right, it may be which for the things. So, this ways you can add the relative clause and make your sentence a complex one. Clear? Another way is you can add multiple subordinate clauses. For example, in the relative clause, we added just one option to it. In multiple subordinate clauses means you can add up other details too. For example, it's quite evident that the people, comma, who have little or no job opportunities in their hometowns, comma, means here relative clause is closed. Relative, that is, tend to move to the urban regions, again, comma, so we are describing now about the urban region, which are more developed and equipped with all amenities, again, comma, to avail better work options and higher living standards. So this is quite a complex sentence. It's a good level of complex sentence which you can use in your IELTS exam. So this is all for now. I hope you will practice these strategies. These are very simple and very basic strategies. You just need to think little bit about it and add the details to it. But again, I'll stress on the punctuation. Do take care of punctuation while making your complex sentences. All right. So this is all for now. Good luck, guys. Bye bye.